Hello and welcome back to another tech wrap tutorial. I'm Melissa Crafter, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I made these super cute keychains using tech wrap vinyl. To make the decal, I used one of tech wrap's new glitter brush adhesive vinyls. So if that is something that you're interested in, please continue watching. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Before we begin, I want to show you the new glitter brush adhesive vinyls that you can now find on the Tech Wrap website. These are textured and shimmery, and you can find them linked down below in the video description. The one that I use in this video is called a Nebula Black, and it's this one right here. So here I have already cut out my decals. I did cut these out using my Cricut Explore Air 2. This type of vinyl can be used on any type of cutting machine. I cut this vinyl out using the textured metallic vinyl cut setting since this vinyl is textured. I am now going to go in with my Tech Wrap weeding pen that does have a sharp stainless steel tip to go ahead and weed out the excess vinyl. This video is sped up. You do want to be sure to take your time when weeding out your decals since you don't want to pull out any of the important pieces. I first like to remove the big piece of excess vinyl and then go in and remove those small fine detail cuts. The sizing that I did for this decal, which fit perfect on the keychain blank, was 2.5 for the width and 1.3 for the height. Since these decals are small, this is a great opportunity for you to use your vinyl scraps. And here I have my decals ready to be placed on my keychains. These Motel keychain blanks can be purchased on the Tech Wrap website as well. They'll be linked down below in the video description. They are available in so many different colors. For my transfer tape, I'm going to be using Tech Wrap's yellow grid transfer tape. It is high tack and designed for glitter vinyl. Here I'm taking my transfer tape and placing it on top of my decal, using my squeegee to press down on my transfer tape to make sure that my vinyl adheres on well to my transfer tape, and then removing the backing from my decal. I am then going to try to center this as best as I could on my keychain. Here I'm taking my squeegee to press down on my decal to make sure it adheres on well to my keychain blank, and then I'm going to remove the transfer tape. Then repeating these same steps for my second keychain. And here is how my keychains turned out. These were so fun to make. You can customize these with any type of decal, whether you're wanting to put a name decal or customize them with a holiday themed decal like I did. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.